G'day guys, Sam Saggers here from Positive Real Estate. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me on video, and thank you so much for visiting our website positiverealestate.com.au. Today I want to help you further understand a little bit about our agency, our mode of operation, and our business practices, so you can fully get a complete and proper understanding of what Positive Real Estate is and what Positive Real Estate can do for you. Positive Real Estate is Australia's largest buyer's investment agent. We've been in business for 6 years now, and we've been privileged to broker around 1,100 transactions on behalf of around 600 clients in the Australian marketplace. A really good result over the last 6 years. We've put properties together in regional towns, mining towns, university areas, agricultural areas, metropolitan areas. You name it, we've been involved in a business transaction of type throughout Australia. What we have come up with is a list of commodities that we broker in the marketplace, and I call them commodities because in essence we are not typical real estate agents. We hunt margins, we hunt returns for our clients. That's how we get paid. We get paid on success, and we get paid for putting together commodities. We don't buy a house and hope it goes up in growth. We in essence put together investments with this proper and clear strategy. A list of the commodities that we broker for our clients include development sites, strata title opportunities, and what I mean by that is we buy blocks of flats for our clients and we strata title them. Quite often blocks of flats in the market are all on one title, and we'll drive a result by strata titling them down and pick up a margin when we take a block of flats, say a block of 4, and turn it into 4 individual titles. We'll do that for our clients. Subdivisions, where we find land opportunities where we can do small subdivisions. Cash flow, we're always chasing yields. We're getting yields still in the marketplace of 9-10% all day long. Positive geared opportunities, where we're buying in more higher dense marketplaces, bigger regional towns, and we're getting yields of 7-8% on brand new property. Capital growth opportunities, we're always chasing good markets, and we have probably one of the best understandings in the marketplaces of where to buy and when. We tend to pick markets because we have privileged information which allows us to know before the rest of the community as to where markets are going to take off. Renovations, we're always doing renovation opportunities in the marketplace. We're always trying to force value and add value to real estate so we can get our money into the market and get it out very quickly. We also primarily look at off-the-plan opportunities in growth markets where we can use time to leverage a return. And mortgagee in possession or discount. One of the mode of operations that we've had a lot of success, particularly in places like Sydney where the market's very flat, is putting together opportunities and stock at a massive discount below its true valuation. And we don't do that to the sort of mums and dads in the marketplace. We concentrate on developers who have made business errors and are in need of liquidating their stock. So there's some very good commodities that we broker, commodities that can put money back into your pocket. So pretty exciting stuff. We've been doing it for years and years, and as I've said before, around 1,100 transactions, which is a fantastic result over the last 6 years. We're Australia-wide. We're licensed Australia-wide. We can put together opportunities in all states. We have 14 full-time staff, which are all investors. We have 2 offices, one in Sydney in St Leonards and one in the Gold Coast in Southport. We're going to be opening up a new office in Melbourne, and we have representatives throughout the country in Adelaide, Perth, Brisbane, Gold Coast, Sunshine Coast, Melbourne, Sydney, Adelaide, you name it, we're there. All of our staff are investors. They know how to negotiate real estate. They take the emotion out of real estate. They get a result for our clients. Our fiduciary responsibility is to make sure our clients get the right result. A little bit about the numbers. When we put together real estate transactions, we make sure that we put together an information package which allows you as the investor to take away a proper synopsis or summary of an opportunity, pros and cons. We spend around $50,000 per annum on information to support what we're doing. Okay, we use resource tools such as RP Data, Residex, Cordell's, Australian Bureau of Statistics, Home Price Guide, Biz Chapnel, and much, much more. All of that information we pass over to our clients when we're doing a transaction, so they can see that experts in the marketplace, resource tools in the marketplace, have their opinions on products and areas themselves. Cordell's Online, some of you may not know what that is. I'll give you a brief explanation. Wouldn't it be handy to know where development infrastructure is being built? Cordell's is an interesting tool, and it costs us around $20,000 per annum to use. It tells us where projects are being built, where government is spending money. It in essence shows you where DAs are being lodged and where DAs are being approved. So it's a really good tool, especially if you're looking in growth markets. You can see before the growth takes off where those marketplaces are getting, where the developers are investing. So a pretty good little inside tool, and we share that with our clients all the time. So we knew that Perth was going to take off before Perth hit the media. We knew Adelaide was going to take off a year ago before it hit the media. Why? Because we have inside information. We pay for intelligence on where DAs are being lodged. So it's a pretty good tool. Plenty of other tools there that we share with our clients as well. With each property that we broker, we'll give you a property summary. What's included in the property summary? Well, it's a pretty detailed report. It's emailed out to you every day, at least twice a day. We put together different commodities in the market every day religiously, and there's not a day that'll go by that you don't receive some properties that we've brokered. What you get in that report, it's about a 40-page report. It comes to you in a HTML link so you can easily download it, and we'll put in income, expense of the property, pros and cons of the property, demographic details, area maps, photos, you name it, we put it in there. Statistical information, lots of pertinent information which allow you as a buyer to make an informed decision. Okay, looks pretty good. I like what's in the summary. Or hey, not for me, don't like it. What's next? So as a buyer, you can make an informed and non-emotional decision to move forward into the purchase or pass the purchase by. If you do like the property, we'll help you as your agent to move to the next step. We'll help you further understand the property and make sure that we're marrying the right client with the right piece of real estate. For us, we'd rather not do business than do bad business. It's been our motto ever since we started, and we're proud to say that each person we've done business with is very satisfied with the product that they've bought. We negotiate terms and conditions which are favourable to every buyer. Okay, we will not put you into a property unless you have the right finance clause, the right building inspection clause, the right pest inspection clause. We will not let you proceed unless those are put into a contract and you have a safe passage to purchase. A little bit about our property summary. As you can see, there's plenty of details there. There's just a snapshot of around 9 pages out of the 40. Lots of information so you can understand the cash flow, the figures, understand what you're buying in the market, because for most of us, we tend to make decisions on emotion and not on suitability of our finance situation, of our cash flow situation, and for most of us, we don't future plan what to do next. So lots of good information there for you to consider, and we send that out with every property that we broker. How does it work? Well, you need to sign a buyer's agency agreement. You need to pay $250 as a minimum to get started with our firm. That's to cover some costs of phone calls and administration work that we need to do to get you up and running as a client. From there, there's plenty of upside into leveraging what we do. In fact, the reports that we sent out have been valued at around $1,000 per report, given the information that we provide in each report. Our fee is paid on success. If we don't make you money in the market, we don't want to be paid. We'll actually pull you out of a deal if it doesn't stack up. So lots of good upside in what we do. Thanks for taking the time to listen to me on YouTube. If you want some further details, feel free to peruse our website, www.positiverealestate.com.au, or come along to one of our property information nights. They're held monthly in your closest capital city. There's not a month that goes by that we don't meet and greet our clients and help them through their property needs. Thanks so much for listening to me. I hope I've further explained our products and services. Have a great day.